Hi, in this lecture I'll show you how to use the infrared receiver and remote control. We'll be using the infrared receiver and remote control in one of the Arduino car experiments that are coming up later. You'll be able to control the car using your infrared remote control. Now this is a topic that I've covered in some detail in Arduino step-by-step getting serious in section 45, as you can see here, and I'll use the same schematic here for the wiring in the examples in this lecture. Plus, I've split the original script into two scripts. One is a super simple, the simplest possible infrared remote control script that I could come up with in order to show you what is happening behind the scenes. And then we'll add to that script so that we can use the remote control again to control two LEDs on the breadboard. So here is the schematic. I have connected the infrared receiver module here. It's a very small device that in a way looks like a transistor. It's got three output pins. The two pins on the one side are voltage that goes to 5 volt and ground, which goes to ground. And then the leftmost pin is for output, and I have connected it to digital pin 2. Now, when it comes to the wiring of the infrared receiver module, you need to be a little careful. If you have gone through this lecture in Arduino step-by-step getting serious, just remember that the pin configuration for the module that contains the receiver is different to the one that is included in the SunFounder kit. So in the SunFounder kit, which is this particular infrared receiver, the output pin is the one on the left side. As you are holding the receiver with the light input, the lens of the receiver facing you. So if you're using this particular receiver, remember, hold it so that the lens is facing you, and then the output pin will be on the left side. In the middle, you've got ground always, and then on the right side, you've got VCC. So VCC, you connect it to 5 volts. The output pin, as I said, I'm going to be following this schematic here, goes to digital pin 2 on the Arduino. So for the first experiment, you only need to connect the infrared receiver. Don't worry about the LEDs. For the second experiment, where we'll be controlling the LEDs, just connect a red LED to digital pin 7 and a green LED to digital pin 8 alongside the current limiting resistors. All right, let's go over to the bench and have a look at the hardware and run the first experiment. So here's the circuit. I've already put together the sensor receiver as well as the LEDs.